Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable notification sounds on the XIAOMI Standing Fan 2 Lite. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the XIAOMI Home app and make sure that the fan has been paired to the app. So after that we're going to click on the fan icon, and then we're going to press on the three dots on the top right, and here we have the notification sound option. So you can enable or disable this option, and basically what it does is once you disable this option, it disables the beeps on the fan. So your fan can make beeps when you're changing something or pressing the buttons, and if you want to disable that sound fully, you just disable this option. But if you want to turn the sounds on, you just toggle this option on, and the buttons will start making sound. So that's about it. Once you selected the option that you want, you can just exit out the settings and they will be saved automatically. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.